Yeah, student, class 7th, welcome in your 7th online session. In last class, we have studied about the number conversion, in which we had practiced decimal number to binary number conversion. So, in today's class, we will practice about binary to decimal conversion. As you all have seen that in the number system, the base value is very important. Base value is very important. As we had already discussed, that decimal numbers are having 10 symbols to design all decimal number, to represent all decimal number. That is why the base value of decimal number is 10. Whereas in binary number system, the base value is 2. Why it is 2? Because binary number are having only 2 symbols, only 2 digits, that is 0 and 1s to represent all the binary number. Because they are having only 2 digits, that is why its base value is 2. So, before converting the binary number into decimal number, two things must be clear that I am going to explain you. It is the term which it is a thing which is it is a concept which you will use in your mathematics. That is what? A number which is written like this one, x to the power y. What is written over here? X to the power y. So x will be considered here base and y will be considered here power. The number, if a number written in this format, x to the power y, means x will be considered as base and y will be considered as power. So I am writing a number like 2 to the power 3, means 2 will be considered as base and 3 will be considered as power. How will you solve this thing? To solve this thing, let this to be written 2 multiply itself thrice, because power is 3, means 2 multiply itself by thrice, means 2 into 2 into 2. How many times do you have to multiply itself? According to the number of power. Power is 3, that is why 2 is multiplied itself 3 times. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So resultant value is 8. So how you are calculating? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. And one more concept is that if any number's power is 0, if any number power is 0, this is very important, then the resultant value is always 1. Then resultant value is always 1. If you are writing 2 power 0, means resultant value is 1, or you are writing 1 1 1 0 0 0, this one, and power 0, then also the resultant value is 1. So what is clear over here? That any number whose power value is 0, the calculated value will be 1 only. So you have to remember this thing. Wherever a number having power value is 0, the resultant value will be 1 only. So we are taking this example. So students, we are taking one binary number as 10101. So to convert this number into the decimal number, you have to count down the total number of digits present in the binary number. As the number is 10101, so we will count down it. How many digits are here? This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So total 5 digits are here. So you will make a table having 3 rows. You will make a table having 3 rows and 5 digits are present. So 5 column will be over here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. These are the 5 columns and only 3 rows. Only 3 rows. Now you will number the columns. Now we will mark the numbering of the columns. So numbering will be done from the right to left. And the first number will be considered as 0. First column number will be 0. Then 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Now in the second row, from left to right you will write the binary number. The first digit is 1, second is 0, next is 1, next is 0 and the last one is 1. So it is written. Now what you have to do? Note down the digit, not the column number, digit, and multiply this digit by 2 and the power value of 2 will be the column number. The column number will be its power. So 1 into 2's power 4. Our second digit is 0. 0 into 2's power, what is the column number? 3. So power will be 3. Then 1 into 2's power is 2. Then 0 into 2 power 1. Then 1 into 2's power 0. All numbers are written. Now check where we are multiplying the numbers by 0. Here we are multiplying the number by 0. Here we are multiplying the number by 0. Cut them because they are not required. इनको हम simply cut कर देंगे. And after that note down these numbers. Then how? 2 to the power 4 plus 2 to the power 2 plus 2 to the power 0. Now we have to calculate it. As I told you before, 2 to the power 4 means 2 multiplied by itself 4 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 plus 2 power 2 means 2 multiplied itself by twice. And 2 to the power 0. Any number's power 0 is 1. Now calculate it. 2 2's 4. 4 2's are 8. 8 2's are 16. So this is 16 plus 2 2's 4 plus this is 1. So we are adding it. Total it is 21. So what is the number here? 21. And how you will write it? 21. The base value is 10. So the number which is written here 10101. This is a binary number and its equivalent decimal number is 21. Its equivalent decimal number is 21. Got it, students? It is quite simple. It is quite simple. We will take one more example. So look over. So students, next example is binary number is 110001. This is a binary number and we have to convert this number into the decimal. So how we have to convert? First of all, we have to count down the total number of digits. So we are looking here. The total number of digits are, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 digits are here. So we will draw a table having 6 columns. We will draw a table having 6 columns. So these columns are 3 columns and 1, 2 and 3. Okay, chaliye, one is very short. Okay, now numbering of the columns from right to left, and first column will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then note down the digits in these columns. Second row 1, 1, then 0, 0, 0 and then 1. this number, whatever the binary number, that will be noted down into the second row. Now we will do, note down the number, multiply it by 2, and power will be the column value. Whatever the value in the column numbering, that will be put as a power. 2 power is 4. 0 into 2 power is 3. 0 into 2 power is 2. 0 into 2 power is 1. 1 into 2 power is 0. Then second step, wherever we have divided the multiplied the number by 0, underline those ones and cut them out. They are not required. So 3 of them are cut out. Then now what is left? 2 to the power 5 plus 2 to the power 4 plus 2 to the power 0. Then how we will calculate it? Multiplied by 2 itself for how many times? 5 times. Okay. This is 2 power 4 means 2 multiplied itself for 4 times. And then plus, whenever a number is having power 0, the return value will be 1. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So this is 32 plus 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 plus 1. So what is this? This is this is 49 finally. 49, and this is a decimal number, so we will put 10 at the base. So what is this? 49. This is our answer. Is it clear? Make a table of 3 rows. Table must have the number of column according to the number of digits present in the binary number. First of all, you will, in the first row, you will write the column numbers. Column number will start from right to left, and the first column will be 0 and so on. And after that, in the second row, you will write the digits from left to right, and after that you will write the digit multiplied by 2, and column will be present at the power. Is it clear? And wherever you are multiplying the number by 2, cut those out, remove those, and then finally calculate this the answer. And this is your homework. These are the 2 numbers. The first number is 11110, and second number is 1010011. These 2 numbers you have to convert into the decimal number. Is it okay, children? So I thought it must be clear and there should not be any problem. Review this video once, twice, thrice, and solve these questions, and after that I'll give you one PDF also. I'm sending you one PDF also in which there is conversion decimal to binary and binary to decimal. So you have to check that out. Okay bachcho, so take care and stay safe.